I would always get my nails done, like since I was like a little girl. You know those like terrible nails, the squares? They look like, they're like so Jersey. Yeah, super ugly. No offense to anyone else who has them, you probably shouldn't do that anymore. Anyway, like I would always get like extensions or neon colors or glitter, and like it's kind of like me time, you know? It's like a really, and then like I can be creative, like I really love that. But oh god, I don't know, I just kind of like gave up. I just want something like really simple, you know? Like, do I talk to them or do I talk to you? Like, this is my problem. Yeah, it's just like trendy, and like I can make my own, but like I don't have to do so much for it. So that's why I really like the stamping aspect, because like it's simple and you can still be like really expressive. So no, I've never stamped before. Have I seen it? Yeah. Have I bought it? No. Just because like I didn't know what I was doing. I just never did it. But I always wanted to try it because it looks really fun. Yeah. So we have Bloomin' Babe, Wild Heart, Rebel Yell, Forever Young, New Modern. Okay, so like I'm all of this. I'm a total babe. I'm a wild heart. Okay, mostly just like wild. Oh, this one's cute. Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, I'm totally doing this one. Wild Heart. I'm really excited. It's really cute. I love the fact that the box is pink. Ooh. Ooh. Mama. This is my color right here. This is what gets me, because like I don't know how to use the ice cube thing. The stamper. With the design transferred to the stamper, place the design onto your nail bed using a smooth rolling motion. You know what? I read directions, okay? Okay, so this one basically says the same thing, just in case like I threw away the box, which would... Step 1. Get the plastic off of the metal stamper template thing. Okay, well, you know what? Look at that. Wait.